Many of you have probably done this before, but driving while struggling to stay awake is not only super dangerous for you and your passenger, but for other road users and pedestrians as well. Never underestimate the impact of sleepy driving. It actually accounts for up to 30% of accidents all over the world. So next time you feel like snoozing behind the wheel, don't endanger your life and everybody else's. Instead, check out these 3 tips that will help you get to your destination safe. This may sound ridiculous, but it's actually really possible that you don't even realize how drowsy you're getting when you're driving. That's because your mind is still awake, but your body is slowly shutting down. So it's really important to be able to identify the signs of drowsiness early. One of the more common signs is that you feel restless or find it very difficult to focus. If you're constantly fiddling with the radio or you find yourself paying more attention to the surroundings than the road, then it's definitely time for you to pull over somewhere safe and take a short break. Want to know what's a good way to combat sleepiness? No points for guessing right, it's sleep. Of course. If you're feeling sleepy and have a long drive from, say, Jurong to Pasir Ris, it may be a good idea to take a quick 10-minute power nap to recharge before embarking on your extremely long journey. But don't just stop in the middle of the road or a road shoulder. Make sure you find a safe spot in a car park and get some much-needed shut-eye. Trust me, this works like a charm. Good night! Nothing beats a good old cup of coffee to keep you awake on your drive. The caffeine injection does enough to give you a short-term boost, which will help you get to your destination safely. Drinking other highly caffeinated drinks or many small sips of water also works for me, so maybe you can try this out if coffee isn't your thing. Keeping your mouth busy with some sweets or snacks will also work, as your body and mind will be focused on the chewing action. Chewing or eating helps keep you awake, as these actions voluntarily stimulate your facial muscles, causing an increase in blood flow to your brain, which helps you stay awake. But if you don't have access to food and drinks in your car or anywhere nearby, not to worry, there are always other ways you can keep yourself awake. You know, I'm known as the chatterbox amongst my friends, and I'm always the one talking non-stop whenever we're traveling together. If you're feeling sleepy, try to get your friends in the car to talk to you, as conversations will help keep your mind focused and alert. But of course, don't get too absorbed in the conversation. Remember to focus on your driving too, especially if you have trouble multitasking. So how do you keep yourself awake while driving? Let us know below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more driving tips and tricks, car features, and so much more. My name is Pearlyn. See you next time.
Carro.